Miele tumble dryers, precise sensor controls even on very small or very large loads. And this is how it works. The tumble dryer relies on the ability of moisture in laundry to conduct electricity. The electrical conductivity of laundry reduces as it dries. This allows the moisture in laundry to be determined indirectly by measuring conductivity. On Miele dryers, a tiny current is passed between a drum rib and the body of the drum. This results in moisture being sensed at more than just one point in the drum. The system is active along the drum's entire length. This results in precise readings, even on excessively small or large loads. In other words, laundry closes the circuit between the drum and the ribs each time it tumbles. These readings are relayed to the electronic controls. There, the current moisture content is calculated based on the conductivity. The same approach is used continuously throughout the cycle to monitor drying progress. The tumble dryer is switched off automatically as soon as the measured value corresponds precisely to the selected drying stage. Sensor-controlled drying from Miele. Precise monitoring of moisture content, even on very small or large loads.